Hey guys, hi, welcome to another episode of Cruise Smarter Not Harder. My name is Debbie and I'll be your host today. First off, I want to apologize. I know that it's been a while since I recorded one of these, but I'm back. We're back on the grind, back connecting with you guys, so super awesome. Okay, so today we're going to talk about packing. Okay, have you ever booked a cruise, you're all excited, you're packing, you get to your cabin, you get ready to wear an outfit, and it's like, whoops, all of a sudden you left something behind, okay? Or you don't have what you need. Well, I have a perfect way to avoid that. Just stay tuned and check it out. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Veckin packing cubes. Now, we have two, okay? One for Adam and one for me, and it's color coded, so we won't get them confused and we won't go into each other's stuff. And this is the perfect way. I found this to be the perfect way to pack for a cruise or any other vacation, but especially for a cruise. Why? Because we're always running around, we're always recording, and we're getting content. So really, honestly, the way that I started packing with these is kind of like a no-brainer, because I decide what outfits I'm going to wear before I actually get on the ship. Now, these come with 6 different items, okay? It comes with 4 packing cubes, okay? A large one. A not so large one, okay? Then you have kind of like a medium one. You have this one, which is not so large. And then you have a medium one right here, and you have a smaller one. Now, they tell you what you can and cannot put, or you should, or what they're for, what they're made for. Down here, this one has socks, underwear, and socks and underwear. Then this is for shirts and shorts. I normally put my bathing suits in here, my cover-ups. And then you have this one, which is a little bit larger because I don't dress up that much. I really don't. I like to be casual, comfortable. I normally put like my elegant wear, quote unquote, in here. And it works perfect for me because of the way I fold it. I really don't get that many wrinkles on it. And then this large one, I use it for my everyday wear. And the cool thing about it is that the way I pack it, you honestly have an outfit per day. You don't have to think about it. All you have to do is just decide which outfit you want to wear on that very specific day. And it brings a shoe bag. And it brings a laundry bag. And normally what I do is I end up putting another pair of shoes here. Maybe gym shoes, even though I normally don't wear them. But intentions are good. So anyhow, and this right here, it prevents me from forgetting stuff at home. Why? Because say for example, I want to wear a dress for formal night, and I know which dress I want to wear, so I know which accessories to take, and everything is just laid out on the bed, and I really don't forget that many things. Now I'm going to show you guys how it is that I pack, and I'm actually going to show you the finished product of what it looks like. So let me place these here. Place this one here. Okay, so normally the way I do is, and Adam does the same as well, we find the shirt. So we pick out our outfits before we get on the ship. Okay, we already know what's going with what. Okay, so we lay it out. You flatten it up as much as possible because this method right here of folding really does prevent your clothes from getting that wrinkled. I put my pants inside of whatever shirt I decide to wear. Fold it. Fold it. And this is the way that actually we used to do it on the military too. It prevents a lot of wrinkles. And then you just start rolling tightly, 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 as tight as you can. Like so. If you have to straighten it out, then you do as you go. So, this is one outfit. And then, I just lay it in the bag as so. like so. And I have however many outfits I need. I can pack. Normally I don't have to stack them up, but if it's a longer cruise, then I do. You zip it up, and this is perfect because I'm the type of person, I don't know about you guys, but I'm the type of person that I really do like to unpack before the party starts, right? Get the cabin ready. So all I have to do really is just go on ahead, take out my packing cubes, and just put them in the drawer. Adam normally takes the shelves because he's a little bit taller than I am. Actually, he's a lot taller than me. But this is perfect even when you have multiple people. Normally it's only 2 of us, 3 at the very most. But when you have multiple people in the cabin, everyone knows which packing cube is theirs. And even if you don't have enough storage space, all you have to do is just leave it in the suitcases, tuck it underneath the bed. When you need an outfit, you go under the bed, take out your suitcase, take out your packing cube, put it back in, and everything. It actually helps me stay organized in the cabin as well. So I just want to share this with you guys, this little tip. It's been great. You know, it helps us a lot, like I said, with organization and not forgetting stuff at home, because I already know which outfit and what color socks, if I need a color socks, what shoes am I wearing with what. So it just avoids a lot of headaches of leaving things back home. So I am going to leave the link in the description down below for the PACKINGCUBES, packing cubes, for you guys if you want to go and check it out in our Amazon affiliate account, affiliate store, then you're more than welcome to. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, if informative, if you know of anybody who might want to look at it because they need it, go on ahead and share it out. It does help our channel a lot. I'm going to invite you guys to subscribe if you have not done so yet. Like I said, subscriptions, big thumbs up, and comments in the section down below. It really does help our channel a lot. It helps us to grow, and we really appreciate you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and you have yourself an excellent rest of your day. Bye.